Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 6.2, question number 1, 3 and 6. 1, 2 we have done before only. The previous class we have explained that one. So in this number, it is 86 square. Find the squares of the following numbers. It is 86, so we have to find the square of 86. 86 square. As it is explained in the NCERT book, so we are doing in this way only. 80 plus 6, I can write 86 as 80 plus 6, so 86 square, so 80 plus 6 square, same thing. So what I will do, I will now multiply this 80 plus 6 two times. 80 plus 6 into, now I will open this part 80 and I will multiply with this into 80 plus 6 plus 6 again I will multiply 80 plus 6. Now 80 into 80, 6400. 80 into 6, I will multiply 80 first, the first with first 80 and then second one is with second time with 6. So 480, again 6 into 80, 480 plus 6 6 ja 36. Next, if we add all these, if you need to add, you draw a line in the right side of your copy and do the rough work there. You will get the value 7,396. In the same way, you will do 46. Find the square of 46. So 46 square, 46 I can write 40 plus 6. So 40 plus 6 two times. You need to multiply it two times because it is square. Same number, 40 plus 6. Now the same way I will open this part. 40 I will take first and then 40 plus 6. Then plus 6 equal to 40 plus 6. So 40 into 40 you will multiply first. 4 4 just 16. 0 0 plus 40 into 6, 240. 6 into 40 again 240 plus 6 6 ja 36. Now what you will get, the whole value is, if you add this 2116. I have added it in rough work and then I am writing the answer. So this one is the answer. Now our second question. Now second question is, write the Pythagorean triplet whose one number is given. In question number 1 it is 6, in question number 2 it is 14 and in question number 4 it is 18. You have to find the Pythagorean triplet. Now what is Pythagorean triplet? You know that in class 7 you have learned that it is in a right triangle. The longest side is hypotenuse and the adjacent two sides are which are perpendicular to each other. One is we are taking as perpendicular and another is base. So these three sides, there is a relation between these three sides. You know that perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So these three sides are known as Pythagorean triplet. So in this triplet, what you can, one side is given, say one triplet, one number is 6. Now main important thing you need, it is very important. So before going to this sum, I will explain something. M square minus 1, 2m and m square plus 1. By using this relation, I can find the Pythagorean triplet. If one side is 6, so it is not given that it is the smallest side or anything. But any triplet, one number is in one triplet, one number is given 6. You have to find the other two. So if I take, let 2m is equal to, this is 2m, let 2m is equal to 6. I am taking this one as 6, then m is equal to 6 by 2 and you can cancel it by 3, it is 3. Therefore our value of m become 3. Now m square minus 1, that is 3 square minus 1, that is 9 minus 1, 8, and m square plus 1, 3 square, value of m is 3, 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1, that is 10. So the triplet is, first number is 6, 2m is 6. Our triplet numbers are, one is 2m, another one is minus m square minus 1, another is m square plus 1. So our 2m was 6. So the triplet is 6, 8 and 10. These are the three numbers from in which one number is one of the triplet is 6. In this way I will do the next one also. For the second sum, let 2m is equal to 14. Therefore m is equal to 14 by 2, that is 7. If you cancel, you will get 7. Therefore m is equal to 7. Now m square minus 1, that is 7 square minus 1, that is 49 minus 1, 48. Another number is m square plus 1, 7 square plus 1 equal to 49 plus 1, 50. So in this triplet, one number is 14. Don't write 7 because 2m is our relation m square minus 1, 2m, m square plus 1. So 2m is our one number. So our numbers are 14, 48 and 50. The triplets, three numbers are this one. Next number is question number 4. It is 18. Let 2m is equal to 18. Therefore m is equal to 18 by 2 equal to 9. Now m square minus 1, 9 square minus 1, 9 9 is 81 minus 1, 80. And m square plus 1 equal to 9 square plus 1 equal to 81 plus 1, 82. So the numbers are, so the triplets, in this triplet the numbers are, one number is 14 and another. So in this triplet, one number is 18, second one is 80 and 82. These are the three numbers on this triplet. I hope all of you understand this one. Thank you students.